Machines are playing a major role in the development of human civilization. Machines cannot become intelligent until humans teach and make them learn. A micro-task performed by humans helps a machine become intelligent. A micro-task takes few seconds to complete and can be performed by anyone with basic aptitude. Performing micro-task does not require any specific educational background or skill set. A micro-associate can earn money by performing these micro-tasks. Micro-tasks are coming daily in millions from global companies on standard international platforms. Built by professional experts having several years of international corporate experience, IntelliNature's first-of-its-kind Learn and Earn global network enables associates to work on these micro-tasks. The company provides a learning ecosystem where associates joining the network start earning from day one of joining. With the company's comprehensive training, learning, and earning framework, a micro-associate gets enabled to make earnings in just few weeks. Unlike traditional courses where heavy fees is charged with no assured returns in terms of jobs, IntelliNature gets immediate returns up to 5 times and even more. The work ecosystem helps associates get hands-on experience on real micro projects and start making immediate earnings. At IntelliNature, we are committed to impart simplified knowledge and importance of artificial intelligence and robots to unaware masses and enable them for next-generation lifetime remote independent work. Join us and start your earnings today.